most of the real estate agent think that they will hire SEO expert or website expert or AI automation specialist, and they will get the amazing result. But that's a really wrong concept I have ever seen, because a freelancer just can build you a tool, just can build you a website, just can do your SEO. But if you ask that what will we get after doing this, they will just say that we will rank your website, they will just say that we will automate your leads, they will just say that we will create you the website. Let me tell you the thing that you haven't seen before. Thing is that we build the complete system, and we don't say that we do SEO, we do AI automation, and we do like such kind of website designing and something like that. The difference between the freelancers and the us, as you know that I own the agency Mentor AOD. The difference is very simple. They go for like short term result. They will charge you the setup fee, or they will charge you the like monthly fee, and they will create you the website or something else. But we will create you the system. You know that what the system is? System means that you don't need to worry that what how the leads will come now. You just need to be specific. You just need to come and you will tell us that this is your budget and you want to grow organically. I am not talking about paid ads, I am not talking about something like overnight success. I am talking about system is the really important thing in this world. So if you want to if you want that your business have will grow your business will grow with the time and with the consistency, then you need system. And this video is specifically for you if you are a founder or real estate agent. Then and if you want more details, you can contact us.